I'm sure you'll love it. Let's start the trick by adding 250 milliliters of detergent into a container like the one I'm using. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of salt as well. Now I will mix the 2 ingredients well until they are completely integrated. Tell me if you already knew this amazing trick I'm doing. The next ingredient we're going to need is a tablespoon of baking soda. Let's add and then mix well again until the ingredients are completely integrated. I'm sure you'll love the end result of this trick. Lastly, I will add 200 milliliters of water. After that, just mix it well again. The water will help dilute the mixture, and it will make it so much more. Once I learned this trick, I never made the effort to clean stained pans again. Before using this cleaning product we made, let's store it inside an empty detergent container like the one I'm using. Here I'm using the detergent container I used earlier, and I'm going to use a funnel to transfer the mixture. It is now ready to be used. And to use it is very simple, just apply this mixture on the pans that have stains, and then rub it well with a sponge or steel wool. Don't forget to tell me which country or city you're watching from, so I can send you a special hug in the next video. I'm sure you'll love making this homemade cleaner. You won't have to make any effort to get your burnt pans clean again. With just the detergent, toothpaste, baking soda and water, you can whip up a powerful cleaning agent without the need for harsh chemicals. This natural formula is an affordable alternative to commercial cleaners, allowing you to save money without compromising on effectiveness. A notable feature of this homemade product is its versatility. The ability to adjust the proportion of ingredients allows you to adapt the mixture according to the intensity of burnt spots. Whether you're dealing with light or extremely stubborn stains, you have the control to create the right consistency for each specific situation. One of the main benefits of this homemade cleaner is how gentle it is on the coating of your cookware. The risk of damage is significantly reduced, allowing you to effectively clean your cookware without compromising its durability and integrity over time. If this trick was helpful to you, don't hesitate to share it with friends and family who can also benefit from this valuable tip. Thanks for watching this far. Until next time.